Good morning, sir, ma'am. My name is Shweta and my friend's name is Ayushi Patankar, Piyush Buryarkar and Aniket Yadav with me. We have made the robotic project that's name is remote control robot. Aim to control the robot using a smartphone via Bluetooth. We have used component control board, Bluetooth, model motors from kit or battery pack and smartphone. Working mobile assistance command like forward, backward, right, left and stop. Bluetooth model receives signal, board processes it, motor move accordingly, forward, backward, right, left and stop.
How to use? Open the Bluetooth app in phone. Second, connect to model. Third, press button to control robot. Conclusion: the project show how a robot can be controlled wireless using a mobile phone via Bluetooth. Thank you.